FridayParts have sent me 2 front rims, 2 tubes and 1 tyre. We're just going to mount those on the rims today and fit them to the tractor, and then she's sitting down on all fours. Very good quality. I've already done the back wheels. I am by no means a tyre fitter, but we're going to have a go. Do some collaboration stuff, only if it means something in the channel's niche. If not, we do a bit of yard maintenance. I've got 20 acres here. We do I have wiped these tubes down. If you see something I'm doing wrong, please tell me, if you're a professional. Pretty stiff, thick old tyre too. She's must be thick-ply or just stiff, but not sure. Can get tools to screw onto those valves, but I haven't got one. About 18 pound in that. Not overly sure what it's meant to have. I think roughly that's pretty much it. She looks the part now, the old girl. Waiting to see it like this for bloody a couple of years now. That sticker will blow off with the gurney when we give her a final wash. Okay, looks good. I'll just show you something I have noticed. See this rim here? It's dished for those tapered nuts. So they basically locate it. It'll locate in the centre and on those nuts. This one here was basically flat. You can see it's fine for this tractor, but what I was telling is it's a full nut on these threads here, so that's really good. A little bit different made, this wheel. You can see the